Hi, I'm Bill, and if this is the first time dropping into our channel, welcome. Lori's out on a hike with a girlfriend today, and this area anyway is kind of my responsibility. Behind me you see our 2021 Winnebago Solis 59PX flat top, and we're getting ready for our big trip to Colorado. We'll have a lot of content up on the channel around our Colorado trip. Hopefully you'll stop back in and check that out. But today I'm going to talk about inspection. It's a good idea to do a visual inspection of your camper van or your motorhome. I did this when I had the Class A motorhome, and basically you walk around, you look for issues, you check your lights, your turn signals, you check the tire depth, you check your tire pressure, and those are all pretty easy things to do when you just kind of do the walk around. Kind of similar if you have ever been a pilot and have done an inspection on a plane. Oftentimes you do the visual inspection around the outside, and it's checklist driven. The hard part comes seeing what's going on the underbelly. So what I have here is I have a GoPro 7 Black. This is what I use. So I'm just going to give you a tip on how you can take a look at your underside. And again, it's a visual inspection, but it's good from time to time to check the underside of your RV and see if there's anything obvious, wires hanging down, I don't know, anything that may look loose. And I'm going to show you how I'm doing it with our Winnebago Solis. So basically what I do is I just take a little washcloth and my GoPro 7 Black, and what I do is I just set it on the ground at an angle so that the lens is pointing up, and then basically I get in the vehicle and I drive slowly forward down the driveway, and I'm able to watch what's happening with the camera on my phone using GoPro app. And then once I've cleared the back end with this camera, I flip it around to the other side, and then I drive back the other way so I get it from the reverse angle. And then I take the video inside and I take a look, and I can slow the video down, and I can see if there's anything obvious going on the underside. So just wanted to kind of give you this tip. You might want to consider doing that if you're not doing it already. Of course, if you can bring it into a garage that has a lift, sure, that's great. You can hoist it up. But I like to check my underside a lot more frequently, especially with the Solis 59PX that has the generator that kind of hangs low, where there's not a lot of clearance. I like to see if there's any scuffing on the generator where maybe I've hit it on the pavement without knowing it. So again, I just wanted to share this tip, and now I'll show you the actual footage I took of me doing the inspection of the underside of our Solis 59PX. So if you like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up. As always, like, share, and subscribe. And we welcome definitely new subscribers, but otherwise, thanks for dropping into our channel and checking it out. Your comments and questions are always helpful, so don't hesitate to leave a comment, ask a question. That's always appreciated. Other than that, till next time.